Stop right there. I have to tell you something. My name is Jacob and I'm gonna present you a new project here on this channel. Quick and easy, it's the Altura NFT system. It's not an NFT in that way, so it's not just a picture, you will buy it and someone else buys it with a higher price, so you get a profit of it. This project is about to supporting games that will launch into the Web3. So basically build an infrastructure for it and that's it. First of all, that's their Twitter, or now it's the X page for it. They grew over time. They launched their project in the April on 2021 and built a fan base with nearly 140,000 people. So that's a number. I found this project in the last bull run. Alex Becker talked about it. So I just opened their white sheet, looked into the project, and I was hyped. I invested in this project in the last bull run, just like I said. And here comes the point I have to mention in every video you will see on this channel. I'm not a financial advisor, so everything you do on the internet is just about your decisions. It's your money, do whatever you like with it, but this is not a financial advice at all. So what I'm gonna do now, I just present the facts about the project. Maybe you want to invest in it, maybe not, but here's a funny video, so let's go straight into it. The Altura gaming system, the ultimate platform for building and scaling Web3 games. So the project is not for the ones who want to buy NFTs. This project is a supporting partner for all the game developers out there who wants to create a game in the Web3 space. When it comes to NFTs, you always think about those monkey pictures, right? You will just try to buy it as low as you can, and then you will sell it as high as you can. The difference between this is the profit you made, but this particular project tried to improve those NFTs so that it's not just simply a picture. They tried to implement those NFTs into gaming. The gaming industry is a huge industry that grew over the last years. Just think about League of Legends, the CSGO community, it's huge. The potential of it is huge, and in the connection with the metaverse, it will just grow even bigger. So when you think about games, you always think about avatars. So you just you just open a game, create an avatar and just follow the storyline, for example. Over the whole storyline, your character will improve. You found some new items, you develop new abilities, you can fuck around with bigger bosses, for example, and that is where Altura Gaming comes in. Altura Gaming tries to implement smart NFTs. So smart NFTs, for example, is an NFT that will develop over time, not simply a picture. But what exactly is a smart NFT? A smart NFT is a type of non-fungible token, the NFT, that goes beyond basic ownership and incorporates a smart contract functionality, meaning it can have programmable features and capabilities. So for example, the NFT you just created, you minted, for example, the picture. And the picture can just upgrade it with some kind of sword. You have a monkey, and then you can upgrade it with a sword. So now you have a monkey with a sword. Hey, maybe it's a new NFT, and maybe the price is even higher, so you can sell it with those sword and make a profit out of it. Unlike a traditional NFT that might only represent ownership of a digital asset, a smart NFT can execute specific actions based on conditions coded into its smart contract. While traditional NFTs can be deemed static, smart NFTs are dynamic in their nature and can evolve or change over time. So they are not just simply one way you can upgrade your NFT with the Altura system. There are different types of smart NFTs. For example, I'm going to show you. The interactive smart NFT allow for user interactions or change the NFT appearance based on specific conditions or inputs. So for example, you just receive a quest, go on an adventure with it, and then when you fulfill this quest, you will receive something like a sword I've mentioned. Then there are time-triggered smart NFTs. Triggered event or changes the NFT behavior if a certain period has passed. So for example, you have an NFT that's just an egg, and it depends how long you will hold those NFTs, and in maybe a year or 2 years, this egg will just improve and you will have a phoenix out of it. Some sort of that. You will maybe get the idea behind it. The next is the unlockable content smart NFTs. Provide access to additional digital content or features when specific conditions are met or payments are made. So for example, like I said with the sword, You go to a marketplace and buy a sword for your monkey. Then you will combine it, and then you have the monkey with a sword. Then we have the fractionalized smart NFTs, enable the fractional ownership of an NFT, allowing multiple users to own a share of an asset. So I think the idea behind this is that you can have multiple owner of the same NFTs. But I don't know exactly. Maybe there are some more information on this page. The next is the dynamic smart NFTs. Smart NFTs can change appearance or attributes based on external factors such as real-world events or data feeds. So I think, so maybe for example you have an NFT that represents an avatar, and when the avatar just went into water, then the clothes get wet, for example, and then you have a wet NFT. So maybe basically is that. The next is the utility smart NFT, grants specific utility or privilege within a platform, service or ecosystem. I think I don't have to tell about this one. Then the gaming smart NFT. Gaming smart NFT integrate with gaming ecosystems, allowing for programmable in-game actions, rewards or interactions. Altura's infrastructure specializing in making smart NFTs a seamless in-game experience for blockchain developers and Web3 gamers. So that's the whole thing about it, the smart NFTs into the new game development in the Web3 infrastructure. And then the last but not least, the social smart NFTs. These smart NFTs include features that allow for community governance or voting on certain decisions related to the NFT or associated project. So for example, you have 10 out of 10 NFTs, and then the whole society will vote for it. Hey, we want to give the monkey a sword. Okay, the sword thing is maybe I use it a bit too much, but I think you get the idea behind it. The whole community can ask for changes. It's not the boring picture you always think about when you think about NFTs. It's a dynamic NFT. So that's all about Altura's behind us. So let's talk about numbers. When it comes to the Altura coin, I first think I invested in this coin just before it started. Alex Beckert talked about it really early, so I just thought about it and give it a try, and it just skyrocketed in the first place. And after that, every rocket in the crypto marketplace will just go and goes down. But that's not a sign to not invest into this project here, because when we compare this coin, maybe for example for Bitcoin, so you see the whole coin when it was going down was the same time the big players, Bitcoin and the Ethereum coin, just went down exactly to that point. And we see now, when Father Bitcoin is rising, the new project about Altura is rising again. So here's one thing, guys, a tip for you. The last bull run was really nice. There was a lot of projects that just skyrocketed, but in the same time Bitcoin just went down, the project just got lost. So in my opinion, it's now time to think about all the projects you saw before the bull run. Is this project still active? So this community is still active. They are still building this project. And for all you guys, this project is not simply on one chain. We have multiple chains just like here. You can build a game with Altura on every imaginable ecosystem. So for example, the Ethereum, the AVAX, and so on and so on. The big players are already into this project. What are my predictions for now, guys? The prediction for now is this ecosystem is not just a project that will just skyrocket into the sky and then will go straight to zero. This project is a long-term project for me, guys. I just invested something about this project. It's not that you have to. I'm not a financial advisor. Do with your money whatever you like. But I just wanted to show you some information about this. I'm really looking into this project, and just keep an eye out on it. Maybe you want to invest to it. Everything you need to know is linked below this video. So that's what it is for today. The new project you maybe want to check out, maybe not. I'm always searching for new project, guys. So is there any project out there you want to see a video about it? Just tell me in the comments. Just give me a small hint what you want to see in the next video, and stay safe and goodbye.